Are acne and blackheads ruining your skin no matter what you try? What if I told you that a proper deep cleansing routine can completely change your skin? Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step deep cleansing routine for acne blackhead removal that you can easily follow at home. Deep cleansing routine for acne blackhead removal. Step-by-step guide. Acne and blackheads are common skin concerns that affect people of all ages. The main reason behind these problems is clogged pores caused by excess oil, dirt, pollution, makeup residue, and dead skin cells. Without proper care, these impurities settle deep inside the pores and lead to breakouts and stubborn blackheads. This is why following a correct deep cleansing routine for acne blackhead removal is extremely important for healthy and clear skin. A deep cleansing routine does more than just wash your face. It targets the root cause of acne by cleaning pores from within, balancing oil production, and improving overall skin texture. Let's go through this routine step by step. Step 1. Cleanse your face properly. The first and most basic step of deep cleansing is using a gentle face cleanser. Choose a sulfate-free cleanser that suits acne-prone or oily skin. Wet your face with lukewarm water and massage the cleanser gently in circular motions for at least 30 to 60 seconds. This removes surface dirt, excess oil, and makeup. Proper cleansing prepares your skin for deeper treatments and helps prevent acne and blackhead buildup. Step 2. Facial steaming to open pores. Steaming is a powerful step in deep cleansing, acne blackhead removal. It helps open clogged pores and softens blackheads, making them easier to remove. Take hot water in a bowl and gently steam your face for 5 to 8 minutes. Always keep a safe distance to avoid burns. This step allows impurities to loosen and helps skincare products work more effectively. Step 3. Gentle exfoliation for dead skin removal. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that block pores and cause acne. Use a mild scrub or a chemical exfoliant suitable for acne-prone skin. Massage gently and avoid harsh scrubbing, as it can irritate the skin and worsen acne. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps smooth the skin, unclog pores, and support blackhead removal. Step 4. Apply a deep cleansing face mask. After exfoliation, apply a deep cleansing mask such as a clay or charcoal mask. These masks draw out excess oil, toxins, and impurities from deep within the pores. Leave the mask on for the recommended time and rinse with lukewarm water. This step plays a major role in controlling acne and minimizing blackheads. Step 5. Tone to balance and tighten pores. Toning is an often ignored step, but it is essential after deep cleansing. A good toner helps close open pores, balance the skin's pH level, and remove leftover residue. Choose an alcohol-free toner with calming ingredients like witch hazel, rose water, or green tea to reduce irritation and support acne control. Step 6. Moisturize without clogging pores. Many people with acne skip moisturizer, but hydration is necessary for healthy skin. Use a lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Moisturizing helps repair the skin barrier, control oil production, and prevent dryness that can trigger more acne. Step 7. Sunscreen protection, daytime only. If you follow this routine during the day, never skip sunscreen. Sun exposure can worsen acne marks and slow down skin healing. Use a gel-based or matte sunscreen suitable for acne-prone skin. How often should you do deep cleansing? Daily cleansing should be done morning and night, while deep cleansing steps like steaming, exfoliation, and masking should be done once or twice a week. Overdoing these steps can damage the skin barrier and cause more breakouts. Final thoughts. Following a consistent deep cleansing routine for acne blackhead removal can greatly improve your skin over time. Clean pores, balanced oil production, and proper hydration are the keys to clear skin. Be patient, stay consistent, and your skin will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.